Hey guys, welcome to 2018. So first order of business, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. Alright, seriously though, I did want to apologize. It has been almost 3 weeks now into 2018 and I haven't posted anything. And I want to take this time to talk about the future of the channel, what's coming up, what we've got planned, and just keep you guys up to date. So this is the first inaugural 5-minute Friday. So I'm going to be doing these every Fridays, and I don't know what they're going to be about, but that's kind of the beauty of it. It's going to be anything that I can talk about in under 5 minutes, which if you've seen my videos, you know will be an impressive feat. So we'll see if we can stick to that anyways. If not, you'll be seeing a lot more of this.
I'm going to use the drift method. Freaking incredible. Round F16 for that to get that sunburst.
Anyways, so this is the first 5-minute Fridays. Let's jump into it. The first thing that I want to talk about is say thank you everybody for helping the channel grow and helping the community grow. I really am thankful for everything that happened in 2017. It was a great year for me, for my business, and it was the first year that I've had a YouTube that I've actually taken it seriously. So I've had a YouTube for like 8 years now, but this is the first year that I had actually taken it seriously. And when I started doing that, I started getting a lot of positive response from all of you guys. So thank you for that. So on that note, let's talk about what we're going to do to maintain this enthusiasm and to push the channel forward. The first thing, like I said, is the 5-minute Fridays. The next thing that I'm going to be doing starting this Tuesday will be the Tutorial Tuesdays. So every Tuesday we will be having a new tutorial, and that could be in Photoshop or After Effects or Premiere. It could be, there's a number of different things. It could be with smartphone photography. It could be out in the field. There's definitely still going to be vlogs. I love doing them. It's been a little bit difficult on some of the stuff, but that aside, it's time to quit using excuses and just make it happen. So I'm going to try to make more vlogs. I don't have an exact schedule for those yet because I'm still trying to figure out what and how and all that kind of stuff. But the set schedule so far is definitely going to be Tutorial Tuesdays and 5-minute Fridays. So one of the reasons that I'm even doing this video at all and bothering to make this public is, for one, I care about you guys and I want you to know where I'm going. And for two, by publicly posting this, I'm hoping that it'll keep me on a leash, because my biggest problem so far, as most people have known, is consistency. So I'd like to stay more consistent, and by you guys subscribing and commenting and all of the positive feedback that I'm having, that is definitely keeping my motivation where it needs to be to keep this channel growing. So another thing that's kind of it's not really New Year's resolution. I guess it is. Whatever. It's a New Year's resolution. I don't like doing those, but I'm going to do it here because it's important to me. I would really like to hit 100,000 subscribers, and this year I would like to at least focus on hitting 10,000 subscribers. So that's my first goal in achieving the larger goal of 100,000. It's the first step towards that. So thank you to everybody who's subscribed so far, and hopefully with all this great content coming out, we will get to 10,000 sooner than I anticipate. So the last thing I wanted to address is that a lot of you have come here for smartphone tutorials and everything dealing with smartphone photography and videography, and that was a recent development for me in this channel. And I just want you guys to know that I will be sticking with that, and I will be doing a lot more things involving tutorials and videos and everything on smartphones and mobile photography, mobile videography, all of that stuff. Also, for everybody else who loves the DSLRs and all of you people who follow me for the DSLRs and the more cinematic stuff, the higher end stuff, I will definitely still be doing all of that. So basically what this means is that I have a lot more work to do this year because I don't want to abandon anyone. I love doing all aspects of creative visuals, whether that be a smartphone or whether that be from a $10,000 camera or whatever. So we're going to do it all. and I hope that you stick with me this year. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Why don't I do New Year's resolutions? People keep asking me, what are my New Year's resolutions? Well, I've got a lot of them for the channel, and the most important one is hair management. Yeah, that needs to be managed. That's why this beautiful hat is on my head. So 2018 New Year's resolution, hair management, because this stuff, it needs to be fixed. I don't know if it's gonna stay long or short or whatever, but it will be managed.